What should you look for when choosing a high-performance sailing multi-hull that doesn't blow the budget? In this episode, we're counting down the top 3 unique sailing multi-hulls in terms of their performance, comfort, and price, ideal for everything from island hopping to ocean crossings. These modern yacht models shine in performance with advanced hull designs and efficient sail plans for smooth handling in all conditions. When it comes to comfort, these sailing multi-hulls offers generous layouts, refined interiors, and smart features that make life on board an absolute pleasure. Add in competitive pricing, and each model delivers a rare mix of luxury and practicality. Let's jump in and find out which one claims the top spot. Welcome to Harbour Masters, your regular dose of information and updates on the latest boats and the best luxury yachts. In third place, the Outremer 52 delivers serious performance and intelligent design in the premium sailing catamaran category. At 51 feet 6 inches or 15.70 meters in length and 25 feet 9 inches or 7.85 meters across the beam, it offers exceptional onboard space and stability without compromising agility, ideal for both offshore passages and tight harbor maneuvering. Its 6 feet 7 inches or 2 meters draft and light displacement of 34,613 pounds or 15.70 tons contribute to a lively, responsive sailing experience, while twin 50 horsepower sail drives provide reliable auxiliary power. Capable of reaching speeds up to 20.5 knots or 38 kilometers per hour, the Outremer 52 is built for sailors who crave both speed and seaworthiness. With a fuel capacity of 145 gallons or 550 liters, and a fresh water tank holding 114 gallons or 430 liters, it's well suited for extended cruising with fewer stops. Inside, the layout emphasizes comfort and function, featuring panoramic windows, lightweight materials, and a modern aesthetic that reflects Outremer's signature approach to long-range liveaboard design. For those seeking a well-rounded blue water catamaran that blends performance, luxury, and value, the Outremer 52 is competitively priced at approximately $1.6 million. Coming in at number 2, the Jeanneau 52 is a bold and innovative trimaran that blends high-performance sailing with spacious multi-hull comfort. Measuring 52 feet or 15.85 meters in length and an impressive 28 feet 10 inches or 8.53 meters across the beam, it offers outstanding stability and deck space, making it ideal for long-range cruising or family adventures. With a draft of 6 feet 3 inches or 1.91 meters, and a light displacement of 27,000 pounds or 13.5 tons, the Jeanneau 52 maintains excellent agility and responsiveness under sail. Its trimaran hull design gives it a unique edge in both speed and comfort, easily maneuvering through a range of sea conditions. Powered by a single 110 horsepower Yanmar sail drive for supplementary propulsion, the Jeanneau 52 reaches a top speed of 18 knots or 33 kilometers per hour, offering efficient motoring when the wind dies down. The yacht is outfitted with a 206-gallon or 780-liter fuel tank and a 166-gallon or 628-liter freshwater capacity, more than enough for extended cruising. Inside, the layout is spacious and functional, featuring panoramic views, clever use of vertical space, and a clean, modern aesthetic. For sailors seeking a balance of innovation, performance, and comfort at sea, the Jeanneau 52 is a great option, especially at its competitive price point of around 1.5 million US dollars. Before we move on to our top choice, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share some of your boating stories and adventures down below. Claiming the top spot in this episode is the Balance 526, a cutting-edge sailing catamaran that presents a harmonious combination of speed, stability, and comfort. At 52 feet 6 inches or 16 meters in length, with a generous beam of 27 feet 2 inches or 8.26 meters, it provides a spacious, stable ride that's ideal for extended cruising and offshore adventures. Its shallow draft of just 3 feet 8 inches or 1.12 meters gives it access to coastal shallows and hard-to-reach anchorages, while its light displacement of 27,558 pounds or 13.78 tons ensures agile handling and excellent sailing performance across a range of conditions. Equipped with twin Yanmar 4JH57 sail drive engines, the Balance 526 reaches a top speed of 11 knots or 20 kilometers per hour under power, perfect for efficient motoring when the wind fades. A 130-gallon or 1,000-liter fuel tank and 103-gallon or 780-liter freshwater capacity make it capable of extended off-grid adventures. Inside, the design is modern and airy, with a focus on ergonomics, natural light, and durability for long-term live-aboard life. Built for sailors who demand both performance and luxury, the Balance 526 delivers exceptional versatility and world-class craftsmanship, with a reported price range of approximately 1.4 to 1.7 million US dollars. From high-performance sailing trimarans to innovative blue water catamarans, our top 3 unique sailing multihulls prove that you don't need a super yacht to experience serious adventure, style, and freedom on the water. These standout vessels, the Outremer 52, Neil 52, and Balance 526, each bring their own unique strengths. Whether it's responsive handling, long-range cruising capability, or a luxurious onboard experience. If you're planning on weaving through island chains, embarking on offshore voyages, or simply relaxing in a quiet anchorage, there's a multi-hull here to match your sailing style. So, which one of these amazing options would you set sail on? What features excite you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And until next time, smooth sailing!